In this quick video, I'll show you how to download view only video file from Google Drive. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So as you can see, I have received this file and it is currently on viewer mode. If I click on it, you can see I can't find any download option for this video. If I click on these three dots, then go to details, you can see viewers cannot download this. So this is the download permission of this video. I can't download this video because it is in viewer mode. If I click on this download icon, then it will start preparing my download for this file, but after some time it will give me this error and I cannot download this file. So the solution for this video is we just need to make a copy of this file, then we can get download option. I will show you that in a bit. But if I click on these three dots, I cannot find make a copy option. If I click on another video, I can find it here. You can see make a copy, but this video is in viewer mode, that's why we cannot get make a copy option here. So to get make a copy option, we firstly need to organize it into my drive. We need to move it into my drive folder. So for that we can go to three dots, then click on organize and now click on add shortcut. We need to shift it into my drive. Click on my drive, then click on add, and now as you can see it is now moved to my drive folder. Now as you can see the file has been moved to my drive. Now if I right click on the file, you can see make a copy option is now available for the file. I just need to click on it and after that it will create a copy of that file in my drive. Now if I click on these three dots, we can see this download option, and if I double click on the video, we can see the download option here as well. I just need to click on it and after that it will start downloading my video in my downloads folder of my device, and you can see it here as well. Now my video has been downloaded. I just need to open it and there you go, I have successfully downloaded my video in my computer. Currently this solution is working perfectly fine as I am recording this video, but if this solution doesn't work out for you in future, then you can use second solution, which is that you can just record your screen while you are viewing your view only video file. As you can see, this was the file which I can't download. Then I just need to record the screen while this video is playing, and for recording you can use OBS software. As you can see, I am using this software to record my screen. I can simply use this OBS software to record my whole video from starting to ending. Then I can just rewatch that video in future. So this is a simple solution. OBS is a free recording software. You can use that. And now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.